He started first with beer as a child, and later on to vodka. In the backyard, in the house, in the car, he would hide a bottle of vodka, or he liked his beer cold, so that was always in the fridge. So at 42 years old, we lost him. And I'll never forget the pain of when he went, and also the pain while he was alive, as maybe he would hurt one of us or my mom. As a family, we need to work together. There's a lot of divorce now in today's family. But you need to find your brothers, your sisters, the ones that care about you, and work together. Will it be easy? No. But you have to try to be a family, to get along. That is my prayer. Pray with me, asking the Virgin Mary to help us. Here it comes. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou amongst women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour of our death. Amen. So one more time, I just want to pray for you. As you see me without the arms, if I could live in this body, I'm married, I have 2 children, I could tune this guitar, I could string the guitar, I could hold the guitar pick in between my toes. I drive, I write, and some of us here sit there saying sometimes, I can't do it. Those are the moments where I wish I could take my foot and I could, because I well know if you try, if you believe, if you work hard, if you sweat, if you strive, if you dream, if you believe, you can do more than you can ever imagine. Whoever said life was to be easy? I want to know that person. Whoever said it, nobody I know has said life is easy. It is to struggle in. It is to get closer to Christ. It is like a ladder trying to get closer to Him. It's a search. It's highs and lows. It's crying. It's laughing. It's living life. Breathing every breath. Wanting to get closer to our good Lord.